Back today with an unboxing of the June 2018 Passport to Polish My Mani Box from Beautometry. My Mani Box is a Beautometry curated collection they put together for stamping nail fanatics or people who want to become stamping nail fanatics, where you get some stamping plates and some other stuff to go along with that so that you can make beautiful manis according to a theme. Packing materials. All right, let's see what the little note here says. I hope you have lots of summer fun with these travel-friendly items in this month's My Mani Box. Okay, very cool. So first of all, okay, this is really cool. Maybe I should show you on camera. This is really cool because I love a glass nail file, and glass nail files have really made a huge difference in me being able to keep some length, especially on my right hand, because these nails are really hard to grow. And so being able to carry a glass file with you everywhere you go is something I would recommend for anybody who's trying to keep their nails in good shape. All right, peel putty. So I'm assuming from that this is a cuticle guard. Oh, look at that, latex-based cuticle guard. And just out of curiosity, I want to see the brush. Okay, so this has a nice big brush. So that is great for when you do your cuticles. So I like to have kind of a big ridge around when I do my cuticles. I like a smaller brush for when I'm doing like masking stuff. Okay, but back to the matter at hand. All right, let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, it's kind of like Christmas. That's one of the cool things about boxes like this. It's just like getting a big box of fun stuff for like your addiction, whatever your addiction is. Polish. Oh my gosh. You want to talk about, I know what this is. This is Hollow They're Beautiful. Okay, so this is a stamping polish, and this is so you can stamp gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous holographic images. So if you don't already own a holographic stamping polish from Hit the Bottle in your stamper, you need to fix that right now. Yeah, look at all of that hollowness that you've got there for your stamping. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Oh, this is just so beautiful. You know, there are things like this that the packaging is just so beautiful that I just want to keep it like this. I don't even want to use it. Fates Bound Together, apparently, is what this is called. Rule number 1, as a person with a nail blogger or a nail fanatic, never use your nails as tools. Rule number 2, always know how to patch your nails when you inevitably use your nails as tools. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? Fates Bound Together. This is so gorgeous. So it looks like there are flakies in there, and I love that duochrome from like the rose to the purple. That is just gorgeous. All right, let's see what it looks like. When we pull out the brush here, can you guys see that? Let me get closer. Make sure it's in focus. Let me get even closer. There we go. There we go. Wow. I love this colorful packaging too. So, I mean, I know packaging shouldn't really matter, right? It's the product that's inside. But especially when you get something like this, opening that up and seeing all the cool stuff in there, it makes a difference. That extra, time that they take with the packaging that you just rip and tear shred open. I think it makes a difference, to just your overall experience and having something pretty and fun to look at and play around with. All right, so we have two Moyu London plates. We have, this is a mix and match collection. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so, this is very, this is like very 90s, 80s and 90s. I see it, I think 80s. I think like Miami Vice-y kind of stuff. So, and then look at that. That is probably more 90s, frankly, to be fair. Maybe late 80s. So, and yeah, this is really popular. Oh, see? Miami Vice. No wonder I'm thinking that. It's meant to look like that. This is very on trend right now. So there's lots of cool 80s stuff going on that, and I think this fits right in with that. So that's great. So not only is it travel themed, but it has that retro 80s, 90s feel to it. And then here we have Explorer Collection 33. And oh my gosh, the llamas. I love the llamas. And then, yeah, and so these are sort of southwesterny design. So these are also kind of southwesterny styles that I think are very on trend right now. And some little marbling. I bet you could layer this, especially if you kind of rotated it so it's in the same direction. I bet you that would layer really well and look really cool. Let's just kind of summarize up here the June 2018 Passport. We've got the two Moyu London plates. We've got a gorgeous Femme Fatale flaky that just makes me drool. Like, oh, I love this so hard, I can't even tell you. And then hit the bottle polish in Hello They're Beautiful, which, like I say, stamping magic. Cuticle guard, which everybody needs to be able to protect their cuticles, and a little travel glass nail file so that you are always prepared no matter where you are and no matter what damage you do to your nails, because you know we do, especially when opening up our mani boxes. Do I think this is worth the value that the box costs? Absolutely. I mean, so if you know these products at all, you know MoYou London, Hit the Bottle, they're top of the line in terms of quality. And there's definitely, even just going by dollar value of what you would pay for these things alone, you're definitely getting a value here. And I do really appreciate that, you know, when they put together this box, they give you quality items. I have not tried Femme Fatale before, and I have not tried this before. So I don't want you to think that I'm saying, oh, this is great quality, this isn't. I'm quite sure that this is just as good of quality. Like I already said, who doesn't love to have, you know, Christmas in June, Christmas in July, Christmas in whatever. It's a ton of fun. For now, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching. I've also seen, I'll tell you my little guilty secret. I've also seen the Cat Lady box that gives you all these cat products, and I haven't gotten it, and I'm not going to get it probably, but the point is, I always see stuff like that, and I love it, and so this is so much fun. So run right now, run. I'll wait here. Hold on. Ah! No depth perception on camera.